Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to build an enhanced dice roller using Python and Tkinter. So this project will feature graphical user interface, multiple dice roll options like D6, D10, D20 and so on. And the third one is rolling animation. So this is a fun beginner friendly Python project that will teach you about GUI development, even handling and the random module. So let's roll into the code. So first we need to import the necessary library Tkinter, which is used to create the GUI, and the random module will help us generate dice roll. Import random. Next, let's create the main window using Tkinter. We will set the title and window size. Now set the window dot title. So for the dice, here we use this Unicode. So dice roller. Now after this window dot geometry, uh, set the height and width. So 300 into 400. Now after this window dot config, so the background color is hash f0 f0 f0. Now after this, for a better user experience, we can display dice images instead of numbers, but for now let's keep it simple and display text output. Now let's create a function that generates a random dice roll. We will allow users to choose different dice types like d6, d10 and d20. So for this we create a function roll underscore dice. Now dice type, so dice variable dot get. Now I am commenting here get selected dice type. Okay, now after this max underscore value, which is a int. Now dice underscore type dot replace, and here we use the capital D. And now here I am commenting the extract. अले 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 जर जर वर बंद जर बंद वर बंद कसा मग. Okay, now after this here we use the max value equal to int. Now dice underscore type dot replace you with the capital D. Now this. Now here I'm use the comment extract max dice value. Okay, now roll equal to random dot rand int, so 1 max underscore value, so it will generate random number. Now result label dot config, so text equal to, which is formatted string, text equal to formatted string. So use this Unicode for the dice icon or emoji. So you rolled a curly braces roll. Now font equal to, which is Arial, size 18, bold. Now let's create a drop down menu for selecting dice types and a button to roll the dice. So here we use the title underscore label equal to tk dot label. Now window text equal to Unicode. Select dice type. Now font equal to Arial, size 14. Now the background color is F0 F0 F0. Okay, now title label dot back padding on y-axis equal to 10. Now drop down menu for dice selection. So dice variable equal to tk dot string variable. Okay, now dice where dot set d6, which is the default selection. Okay, now after this dice underscore option list, so d4, d6, d10, d12, and the last one is d20. Okay, now after this dice menu equal to tk dot option menu window dice variable static dice underscore options. Okay, now after this dice underscore menu dot pack padding y-axis equal to 5. Now show the roll button, roll underscore button tk dot button window text equal to roll dice. Now after this font style Arial, font size 14 and bold. Now command equal to roll underscore dice background equal to mm, hash 4 ca f 50 and foreground is white. Okay, now roll underscore button dot pack padding on y-axis equal to 10. Okay, now result label label equal to tk dot label window text. Okay, now after this font Arial and 18. Background color is hash f0 f0 f0. Now after this result underscore label dot pack padding on y-axis equal to 20. Finally, we need to start the Tkinter event loop to keep the app running. So how we can do this? Run the main event loop. So window dot main loop. Now run the code. Okay, so there is a problem with the undefined variable roll dice on line 30. This one is the roll dice. Roll button. Okay, so here is a spelling mistake which is roll dice. Now save, again run the code. Window dot main loop. Okay, so there is a few mistake. So remember, there is the error with the indentation. So this code is outside the function. Now save and run the code. Okay, so there is an error. This one is the replace. Check for the this one is 0. Save. Okay, so it will show an error with the button as well. Now again run the code. Now here you can see it will work fine. You roll a 5, 1, select the another dice, D12, click on the button, you roll a dice, select dice type, and with the button here we button, Arial, bold, roll dice, and white. Name with the remove the foreground. Again run the code. Okay, now it's working fine. And that's it. We have successfully built a GUI based dice roller using Python and Tkinter. This project is great for learning about Tkinter widgets, event handling, and the random module. So, what's next? Try adding sound effects or animations when rolling the dice. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Python projects, comment below what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy coding.